The Frugal Tech, and today we're looking at the Jabra Move wireless headphones. Now I purchased these to go with my brand new iPad Pro. Doesn't have a headphone jack, and I use these headphones for the purpose of doing my exercise, my workouts, right? I'm gonna use a treadmill. I'll put my iPad up there, put on a movie, TV show, whatever. So I'm looking for two things. I'm looking for comfort. I'm looking for sound. The third thing, of course, is longevity. That's also really, really important with headphones. They need to be well made. Now, these are available on Amazon for 50 bucks, and my Amazon link to these is down below if you're interested. And the Jabra wireless headphones come in red, black and gold, black and cobalt blue. I chose for the red ones. I chose the red. I thought they looked pretty doggone good. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed. Get the old unboxing knife out here. Nothing fancy. Got a little bit of tape on the sides. Boom. And hopefully I won't stab myself. And hopefully this will come off. And there we go. Nice bright yellow packaging box on this. Let's take a look at what it says on the box itself. Now, exceptional wireless sound quality, up to 12 days standby time, control music and calls from the headphones, ultra light comfortable headband, and up to 8 hours of battery life, and an optional 3.5 millimeter cable. Thing on that side, same stuff. Okay, get that out of there. And looks like we need to open up. Like we got a pull tab. We'll pull this out. Head it upside down. Boom. There it is. Let me turn that around. A little card here. Welcome to Superior Sound. Nothing in that. Okay, get rid of that. What we got here on top? Superior Sound starts here. Open this up. And have a quick start guide. Boom. File that away. Here's the 3.5 millimeter cable. And we have a mini USB charger right here. This plugs into your computer, so you charge it on your computer. USB, boom, you're good to go. Pretty simple. Self-decide, and here they are, the headphones. Ooh, they have a very nice feel to them. Okay, so these weigh about 1 pound. They have stainless steel arms on there. Stainless steel. It has DSP sound. Comes with Bluetooth 4.0, 8 hours of battery life, as well as it comes with the 3.5 millimeter cable, 12 hours or 12 days standby time on this, frequency response of 20 to 20 kilohertz. It has a built-in omnidirectional microphone for making phone calls. Made out of the usual stuff, a little bit of pleather, ABS plastic, got some stainless steel. Nice cloth on here, red and black. Love the color combination on that. Also comes with a 1-year warranty. Okay, so on the headphones here, this is your power. Also tells you your battery indicator and putting it into pairing mode, on, off, pairing mode. It's gonna be your volume up, down, and a multi-selection switch right there. That's what you get with the headphones as far as controls. Over here you have your 3.5 millimeter jack, and then your charging port for your USB charging. The headphones have a nice feel, nice solid feel to them. Let's do the stretch test. There we go. Pretty stretchy. Boom. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and pair this with my iPad. Let's check the battery life on there. See how much battery we got. You can see right now the battery is low. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pair this now with my iPad. Boom, there it is. Actually, I'm going to lay it down, tap it, Got to do it to unlock. There we go. Now it's unlocked. Swipe up, go to settings. All right, go to Bluetooth. That's on. Gotta make sure that's on. Bluetooth is on. We can go ahead and pair this up. There they are, right there. Tap the Jabras. Okay, we're now connected to the Jabra Moves. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a little music. Let me see what I can listen to. Should have something set up here. What do you know? One of my favorite artists, Boz Scaggs. Let me take a listen to the Lido Shuffle. See how that sounds. I'll be right back. You don't want me singing, folks. Oh, that sounds incredible. They're a little snug, which is something I want when I'm working out. Oh, for 50 bucks, these sound amazing. They sound great. These sound great. These are definitely going to work out for me. These seem to be very well made. Now, I think that if you wear them for an extended period of time, I'm going to tell you that there's a little bit of pressure against the ear. I think these are going to probably get pretty warm. I don't wear them that long. So maybe, I do a half an hour on the treadmill, and then occasionally I wear them at night. I think for occasional use, and these are meant for on the go because they do appear to be extremely durable. I think they're going to be just fine. I think they're going to do just fine. They sound great. Can't really figure out how to get that across in a review, how well headphones sound. But for $50, are these going to sound like $200 headphones? No, they're not. But they're going to sound great for the 50 bucks. And these are very, very nice looking headphones. I'm very impressed for the spend. These actually come highly rated. I think I've seen a review of them on The Verge, and that's what led me to these. Inside, you got your markings for your right ear, your left ear, so you know how to put them on. I'm not going to try it with phone calls. I don't make phone calls with headphones. Strictly for listening to music, from watching a TV show, a movie, something like that. That's what I use them for. And this is what these are really made for. To be on the go, to be pretty durable. 8 hours battery life if you're listening to music, taking calls. 12 days standby time. Get this out of the way. Run out of power. There you go. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Plug in there, have a listen. Got your usual USB charger. I think for 50 bucks, they're going to do just fine. Like I said, they felt a little bit tight on the ear. They don't go over the ear. They actually press up right against the ear. So I think the only problem you might have, they might feel like they get a little bit warm to the ear after extended use. But I think these are more for going on a run, doing your treadmill, doing your exercise. I think it's going to be just fine. 50 bucks. I don't think you can go wrong. Bruce Naylor, Frugal Tech. Till the next one.